Every day, the butter-making process begins with fresh milk arriving at the factory. Fresh milk is carefully unloaded and sent through sealed pipelines.
Before processing, the milk is tested for quality and safety. Only milk with the right fat content is approved.
The approved milk moves deeper into the factory.
These tanks keep the milk fresh and cool.
Everything is closely monitored using modern technology.
Now the milk is ready for cream separation.
Powerful machines separate cream from the milk. Spinning at high speed, the machine divides cream and skim milk. The rich cream is collected for butter making.
This cream is smooth, rich, and full of fat.
Operators adjust settings to ensure consistency.
The cream is stored under controlled conditions. Temperature and flow are carefully managed. Next, the cream moves to the churning area. This is where cream transforms into butter. The cream is poured into industrial churns. As the churn rotates, the fat begins to change. Slowly, the cream thickens and separates.
Tiny butter grains start to appear.
Buttermilk separates from solid butter.
The butter is now ready for washing.
The leftover buttermilk is drained away.
The butter is washed to remove impurities.
This improves taste and shelf life.
The butter is needed for smoothness.
Kneading creates a uniform texture.
The butter becomes soft and creamy. Salt may be added for flavor.
The butter is mixed evenly.
Now it is ready to be shaped.
The butter is shaped into blocks.
Machines ensure perfect size and weight.
The butter moves to packaging.
Each piece is hygienically wrapped.
This protects freshness and quality.
Labels are added automatically.
The butter is now ready for storage.
Final inspections ensure perfection. Butter packs are boxed for transport.
Automation speeds up the process.
The butter is kept cold to stay fresh. Temperature is carefully controlled.
Boxes are moved to the warehouse.
From here, butter is shipped worldwide.
Delivery trucks are loaded.
The journey to stores begins. From milk to butter, every step matters.
This is how butter is made. Fresh, creamy, and ready to enjoy.
A simple product with careful craftsmanship. Made with precision and care.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more factory stories.